This is my 1 month earnings. I earned $375 per hour with doing nothing or no experience. Everyone can do this very easily without any investment or skill. In this video, I reveal my super secret strategy, how I made free $375 per hour. So don't skip this video. First, you need to go to TraxBooker by going to textbroker.com. You are going to be writing content, but hold on, don't worry, it's going to be easier than you thought. Okay, they're paying right now. If you write 7,500 words, you're gonna get paid $375. And don't worry, you don't even have to write. I'm going to show you a whole Google head. First, you need to open a Google Doc. Don't worry, it's really easy and it's actually free. Then you are going to land on this page and you are going to click here where it says blank. Now you are going to go to tools. And you are going to go to voice typing. Yes, you are going to be using your voice to make money. As you can see, the average speaking ratio is about 150 words per minute. So that's 7,500 words per hour. So can easily earn $375 an hour with Google Docs help without investment or experience. So that's how I earn $375 per hour by voice typing. Go and start your earnings with this strategy.